Start with the slip knot and chain 3. 2 double crochets into the third chain from the 1, 2, 3. This one. One more double crochet. Chain 2 picot, chain 2, insert hook into the bottom stitches and insert hook into both the loops. This will give a neat finish and make a slip stitch. This will make the picot stitch. Now 2 more double crochets into the same stitch, that is a third stitch. One more double crochet, chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch. Now to continue with the other petals, chain 6 and we'll repeat the same into the third chain from the 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. 2 double crochets into the third chain. One more double crochet. Chain 2 picot, chain 2 and a slip stitch into the bottom stitch and insert hook into both the loops. 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2 and a slip stitch into the same stitch. Now continue to make the other petals. Chain 6, 2 double crochets into the third chain from the hook. Chain 2 picot, 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2 and a slip stitch into the same stitch. Now just keep repeating this. This is how it will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.